topic, we'll learn how to write client-side code for authentication. I've already created an app that allows a user to submit and view articles. I've also created views for sign up and sign in, and also created the server-side code for authentication. I've also confirmed that the authentication APIs are working properly by using Postman. Now we need to write the client-side code for authentication. For this, I'll open my article app.js file and replace the code within the $scope.signin function with some other code. So whenever the user provides credentials and clicks the sign in button, an HTTP post request is sent to /auth/signin. If the request is processed successfully, then the user is redirected to the application root. Otherwise, a relevant message is displayed. Now similarly, I'll replace the code written within $scope.signup function with some other code. So whenever the user provides credentials and clicks the sign up button, an HTTP post request is sent to /auth/signup. If the request is processed successfully, the user is redirected to the application root. Otherwise, a relevant message is displayed. Now here we are using the $HTTP and $location services. So we need to add these services as dependencies for the auth controller. So I'll add $HTTP and $location here. Let me now save the file and open a terminal window. I'll move into the application folder and start the application. I'll now open the browser and go to localhost:3000. Now I'll click the sign up button and provide a username and password. Now as I provided a valid username and password, I have been redirected to the home page. Let me now click the sign in button and provide a valid username and password. Again, I have been redirected to